Hey, what's up? This is Mr. Barber over here at Custom Made Barber School in Jacksonville, Florida, and today's video is about how to renew your barber's license, okay? Now, the first step is to go through the DBPR online service portal, okay? And I'll have the link right here for you guys, all right? Now, the second thing is I want to talk about how much it costs in order to renew, all right? But before we get to that, you need to know when the renewal deadline is. Now, if you want to renew your Florida barber's license, you would have to renew before July 31st of any even year, okay? Even year means 2468 and whatever number that ends with a zero, okay? An active license renewal is $70, okay? Now, an inactive license renewal is $35, okay? So if you have an inactive barber license and you want to renew your inactive barber license, you pay $35, okay? A late renewal fee after July 31st would be $25 plus an active renewal fee of $70 will total to about $95, okay? A reactivation fee from an inactive to active, okay? So that's a reactivation fee from inactive to active totals to amount of $170, okay? Now the deadline, of course, is July 31st. And also, in order to renew your barber's license, you have to complete and submit a 2-hour board-approved HIV and AIDS continuing education course, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Peace.